Today we take a look at the HERONIX half-inch impact socket set. So I do appreciate it comes with a nice case. And there are the sockets, and that is a very nice looking set of sockets. Go ahead and get a better look at these. The 1-inch socket, and it feels like it. This is a super heavy socket. Really like that white on black look. Makes it very easy to see what that is as a 1-inch chrome vanadium. If you look at the top, we can see that that is a 6-point, and that is drilled out on the corners, which is going to be great for off-corner loading. You can also see that blue ring on the outside, and we have that hole that goes all the way through. So if you want to, you can use that with a pin and O-ring so that you can run a pin through that and your impact anvil, and then put an O-ring on there to hold that pin in place. You can lock this guy to your impact wrench. You don't have to worry about it coming off. That is for a half-inch drive impact. Nice thick wall on there. And I do appreciate that this set does go all the way up to a 1-inch. Most sets like this, they'll stop at around a 7/8, maybe a 15/16. So very happy that they did that. So we do have our SAE as well as our metric. So we got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. No skips between a 10 and a 24. That is excellent. You got 3/8, 7/16, half-inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, 15/16, and a 1-inch. So no skips again between a 3/8 and a 1-inch, and that is all in half-inch drive. Even down here on the 10 and the 3/8, those are both still half-inch drive impact, and those are both 6-point sockets. Nice thick walls on those as well. Overall, just good-looking sockets. So for the other goodies, we also got some extensions on here, some nice heavy-duty looking extensions. That is even labeled a 10-inch. We got that same pin and O-ring style adapter right there on the back. We got a D10 there on the end. So we got a 10-inch, we got a 5-inch, we got a 3-inch. We also have a swivel adapter. So this is kind of like a universal joint, except for that it is designed for impact sockets. So if you're going to put this on an impact, you're going to want to use this, and that way you can get around a bend. So if you don't have enough room to put your impact on there, you can kind of get this wherever you need it. We also have an impact driver adapter. So if you're like me and you like using impact drivers a lot, we can just take our sockets, drop it on there, and then fit that directly into our impact driver. And then we have a size adapter. So we got a 3/8 to half-inch. We can drop that on there and use that with our 3/8 impact. So very nice having all that in one set. So no matter what kind of a tool that you're going to be using with it, you'll be able to adapt to those sockets. And again, just an absolutely beautiful looking set of sockets. There we go. Very nice, especially having all that adaptability. Beautiful. So overall, that's a very nice set. I love the sizes that we got. We got a huge variety. We got no skips. Very solid construction. Overall, that is an excellent set of sockets. I'm very happy with that.